Good morning, children. So we will continue with the fifth chapter, waste disposal, and we had already read about the landfills of Ghazipur and how the flawed system of waste disposal and management is there, and we need to discourage landfills and all. And then in improper waste management, it causes very much problems, and even the groundwater and surface water gets polluted due to the leachate, okay, the liquid residue that seeps through. And then we read about Sweden, that is considered as a zero waste country. Even the people of Sri Lanka and Bhutan, they are very much aware, they are very much conscious not to pollute their land. Then there is lot of need to organize awareness programs. ये हमने पढ़ा था segregation or recycling of waste, that is very important. And then we read about the Swachh Bharat mission that was launched on 2nd October 2014. That was the 145th birth anniversary महात्मा गांधी की थी, और ये माना जाता है कि इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा लार्जेस्ट क्लीनलीनेस ड्राइव है. एंड पीपल from all over the country, they have come forward and they have joined this Swachh Bharat mission. Maybe government officials हो, soldiers हो, Bollywood actress हो, celebrities, sports person, industrialist, सबने, they are eager, they all have lined up to take on this challenging task. And even the website My Clean India, that is there on the Google, it highlights the cleanliness work carried out by citizens. And Swachh Bharat, it has been getting huge support from the people all over the country, and you can see people taking the broom to sweep the streets, the roads, the lanes, cleaning up the garbage, picking up the garbage, and focusing on sanitation and maintaining a hygienic environment. And then I told you here ki Navelwadi village is there in Maharashtra, and some years back, in the past it faced lot of scarcity of clean drinking water, okay, but the villagers, they became aware, and now they have lot and lot of drinking water. The people, they got together and they built a 35,000 liter water tank, and they have installed water pipelines, and as they are aware now, so they have all cleaned up the surroundings of their village. And then